Hello, I hope you are feeling great. As a part of this video, we'll understand data transformation validation. In the previous video, we understood what is data transformation. Data transformation is converting or changing a particular format to another format and various other aspects. Now the question is, data transformation is there, right? Do I really need to validate that? Yes, we need to validate. So in big data testing, data transformation validation ensures that transformations applied during the data processing are accurate, are meeting the specified business rules. If you are not performing the big data testing, you never know whether the transformation applied is valid or not, whether it is correct or not. So, what happens if the transformations are not valid? Your analysis will be wrong. So, data transformation validation is important. Just to extend what I was saying, it is very much essential to ensure the data accuracy, consistency, and reliability across the processing stages, especially when you are trying to do the transformation for the large amount of data. So you got to take care of the data accuracy. You got to take care of the consistency. You need to ensure that reliability is there across the different processing stages. So it is proven beyond doubt that data transformation validation is essential. It is required. So how do we do it? First and foremost thing is you have to review the source to target mapping document. If you recollect, we have already discussed how would be the requirement document. One of the core document in requirements is source to target mapping. You got to review that, understand the mapping between the source to target. Once you understand the source to target mapping, you got to apply the logic. So apply those transformation to the source data using SQL queries to replicate the transformation logic. You may be asking a question, what the heck? Developer would have already done this, right? Why do I need to do that? That's the whole point here. Developer has applied the transformation by using any tool. It can be a Informatica, it can be a Azure Data Factory, it can be a Snowflake, but being a tester, being a quality engineer, you are not believing what they have done. You got to apply the transformation as per the source to target mapping and then compare the results of the transformed source data with the data in the target table, which is transformed by developer. I hope it is clear. Just to summarize here. First, you go ahead and understand or review the source to target mapping. Then, as a tester, you apply the transformations. Then compare the results from your queries with the data in the target table. Wonderful. We understood how the data transformation validation is done. Thank you.